Hey traders, welcome back to uGenesys, and today I'll illustrate a quick and essential method for calculating your lot sizes in just 2 seconds. And understanding the importance of this calculation is pivotal for maintaining a consistent equity curve throughout your trading journey. Consistently managing your risk lays out the foundation for steady growth in your trading account. And rather than depending on external tools like spreadsheets, let me demonstrate the quickest method directly on your MT5 platform. So to start, let's load our Market Keys Trade Manager onto our chart. And from here, you can easily adjust your stop loss. Let's put this at 20 pips. And also, let's put the risk at 5%. And then hit calculate. And you can see it swiftly computes the lot size here for us. And we have a lot size of 7.44 lots. And with the lot size calculated, you can make well-informed decisions when entering trades. And if I click on sell, you will see this graphical representation on the chart. And you can adjust and fine-tune your stop loss and your target and your risk to reward ratio as well. And additionally, besides our execute tab, we also have a manage tab for handling your trades, a stats tab to monitor your trades, and a secure tab to prevent you from overtrading. And so to access a free demo of our Market Keys Trade Manager, you can click on the link in the description below. And thanks again for tuning in, and happy trading!